And if I take you back to what Igboho said in London, which is what I was already preparing before we had that crash, some of what Igboho said, I want us to listen to it right now. Please share the program. I can cite you there. Of course, we are also on the Mixed LR. Mixed LR is like a radio station. It is cheaper for you to listen, and it is also available for many of you that are struggling to, let me stop the sharing and let's come back to my full screen. Now, I want us to listen to some of these videos that I said I prepared earlier. My name is Olamiko Iki. As I say all the time, David Lamy cannot tell us what we're going to do. Well, to Jodo, to Jomo 20 years old, only by 50 years from now, in Nigeria, that means we are 70 years old. Yes, if you I'm breaking it now like the youngest person to allow anyone. Thank you so much to about 400 people watching us now. We can push it up more. Share it, thumbs up. Many of you are watching, but you are not thumbsing up. We're not making money on this video. It's not about the money we're making. We're not making money on this video. We are telling millions of people that are not Yoruba why they must also prepare to exit Nigeria. Forget about what anybody's telling you about 2027. Nigeria does not need any 2027 right now. What we need is to finalize the dissolution of Nigeria. Final, peaceful. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. 239 people are watching, but unfortunately only 129 people have thumbs up. It doesn't help the algorithm to bring more people in. The more you also thumbs up, the more it recommends the video to somebody else. And you will still have the opportunity to phone in and join because I'm using the StreamYard. I will send the link out. But I want us to watch some of this video. This is Igboho in London when he came for the next.